Okay,
Yeah.
I will
Anyone?
say
Yeah.
Vakratunda. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varde Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Me Sada Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurudevo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Om Sahana Vavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Okay. Mahodaya, this will be Saha Viryam Karavavahai.
Yeah,
Okay.
Saha Viryam Karavavahai.
Viryam Karavavahai.
Viryam.
And then all those visargas should be heard. So Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha. Okay. Guru Sakshat. When Sakara comes in front of visarga, then it will become Guru Sakshat.
Okay.
How it is. You will learn in the next higher grades.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. We'll go through. So we have learned all these ones up to Chaturthi and Panchami last class, because I think this is the last class. No. Okay. All right. Okay. I'm just looking at it. Okay. Do you want to say this Shabdas, or are you all familiar with all the Shabdas? Ramaha, I know you're all familiar. Sita?
Yeah, it's okay. Akarand, Akarand, Ikarand.
All you're familiar, right?
Akarand, yeah.
And we are doing anyways Shashti and Saptami.
Yeah.
Today we get it. Okay. So Shashti Vibhakti. Okay. Vishwanath Mode, you can read this, please.
Yeah. Shashti Vibhakti Prayoga Sita Ramasya Patni Etat Malayaha Pustakam Ta Madhavasya Pita Deshaha Amrafalasya Rasa.
So what does it mean? Sita Ramasya Patni?
Sita Ramasya Ramas.
Rama's wife. So Shashti Vibhakti is the Sambandha, right? The relationship. Etat Malayaha Pustakam. Malayaha here is Mala's book. Saha Madhavasya Pita. Madhavaha. Madhava is the name, his father. Eshaha Amrapalasya Rasaha. It is mango juice. Mango's juice. So here we can, Ichamode, you can read this.
Sambandha dvayoho padarthayoho sambandham bodhayati shashti vibhaktihi. Mama pustakam, mama hastaha, mama putri, mama mata, mama deshaha.
So what did you understand?
जो दो चीजों के बीच में संबंध बताता है वो षष्ठी विभक्ति कहा जाता है.
Yeah, so
my book.
Yes, my book, my hand, my daughter, that way. All right. Okay. Did everyone understand this?
Yeah.
Okay. Chitra Mode.
The response to whose of which are usually is there of them. This reply will be in Shashti Vibhaktihi. Shashti Vibhaktihi used for words meaning comparison. Among these, Pandavanam Dharmarajaha Shreshtaha. Between these, Pika Kakayoho Ko Bedaha.
Okay. So there are two rules in here, right? So one is Shashti Vibhakti is like his or hers or theirs or my. All those will be Shashti Vibhakti, and we all know about it. Balakasya, Ramasya, all those ones. And the second one is it is used for comparison. This is for Ekavachana, Bahuvachana, Dvivachana, but while comparing, we need 2 or 3 or more, right? We can't say anything in Ekavachana. We can't compare anything in Ekavachana. So among these, Pandavanam, that is the Bahuvachana of Shashti Vibhakti. And between these is Dvivachana, right? So Pika Kakayoho, Ko Bhedaha, that way. Got it? So one is the Sambandha, that is the possession, and the second is the comparison.
What is this first one? The response to whose of which? Can you explain? Give me an example. This one.
Which
the
one?
Response, the first one. The response to whose of which are usually is there. I didn't get it. What does it mean?
The response to whose of which are usually his. Okay. Suppose it's a book. Whose book is that? Whose book is this? What will you say? His book,
his
this book, boy's book,
Yeah.
right? The response to whose, the response is the answer. Answer to whose will be his, their, of. So, kasya pustakam, balakasya pustakam, kasyaha pustakam,
Yeah.
malayaha pustakam. So, whose? The response to whose is the answer. All right. Any other doubts?
No, I get it. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now we'll go into all of these are Shashti Vibhakti. All right. Pullinga, Akara, Ramaha, Ramasya. All right. Shailesh Mahodaya, you can read.
Yeah. Ramaha, Ramasya, Dasharatha, Dasharathasya, Kavihi, Kavehe,
Pullinga, Ikaranta.
Pullinga,
Ikaranta.
Ikaranta, Kavihi, Kavehe, Harihi, Harehe, Pullinga, Ukaranta, Guruhu, Guroho, Vishnuhu, Vishnoho, Stri, Akaranta, Sita, Sitayaha, Rama, Ramayaha, Stri, Ikaranta,
Nadi.
Nadi, Nadyaha, Janani, Jananyaha, Naputankaling, Akaranta, Pustakam, Pustakasya, Patram, Patrasya.
Okay. So with Akaranta, it becomes Ramaha, Ramasya. Ikaranta Pullinga, Kavehe for Shashti Vibhakti. Ekavachana. Pullinga Ukaranta, Guroho. Guruhu, Guroho. Strilinga Akaranta, Sita, Sitayaha. Strilinga Ikaranta, Nadi, Nadyaha. Napumsakalinga Akaranta, Pustakam, Pustakasya. All right. So I think next there'll be a Abhyasa. That's why. Yes. Okay. Vishwanath Mahodaya. Can you do the first one, please?
Balakaha pustakam. Balakasya pustakam.
Balakasya pustakam. So can you frame a sentence with this?
Tat pustakam balakasya.
Tat pustakam balakasya. Very good. Icha Mahodaya, next one.
Girijayaha mandiram.
Any sentences?
Aham girijayaha mandiram gamishyami.
All right. Chitra Mahodaya, next one.
Nari Shatika. Naryaha Shatika. Naryaha Shatika Raktavarnasya asti.
Okay. Naryaha Shatika Raktavarne asti. Raktavarnam asti. Right? Raktavarnam asti. Okay. Shailesh Mahodaya.
Gruhasya Udyanam. Gruhasya Udyanam Samyak asti.
Okay. or you can say it's beautiful as well. Grihasya udyanam bahu sundaram.
सुन्दर अस्ति
Sundaram asti.
Sundaram asti. Udyanam sundaram udyanam. Okay, Vishwanath Mohdaya. Prithvi janaha.
पृथ्व्याः जनाः पृथ्व्याः जनाः देवं नमन्ति
Pratyadeva janaha devam namanti. That's good. Icha Mohdaya, next one.
महाराजस्य रथः नगरे प्रविशति.
Nagare pravishati. Okay, Chitra Mohdaya. Gajah karnau.
आप म्यूट.
Gajasya karnau.
Hmm.
कर्णौ कर्णः विशालः अस्ति.
Gajasya karnau. Karnau is dvivachana, right?
गजस्य कर्णौ कर्णौ विशालौ स्तः.
Vishalau staha, right? So because karnau are 2 ears, so it becomes taha, not asti, right? And the adjective for that vishalau, because karnau is in dvivachana, the adjective will become dvivachana as well while you are framing a sentence. All right, so it's called vishesha visheshanam. Visheshya visheshanam bhavaha. All right, Shailesh Mohdaya. Next one. Balika Mata.
बालिका माता बालिकायाः माता आपणिकं गच्छति.
Aparnikam gachati. Okay. Vishwanath Mohdaya.
नदी जलम नद्याः जलम शुद्ध अस्ति
Shuddham asti.
शुद्धम अस्ति
Shuddham asti. Shuddham jalam. Shuddham. Okay. Icha Mohdaya.
मित्रं वस्त्राणि. मित्रस्य वस्त्राणि मित्रस्य वस्त्राणि बहु समीचीनं. मित्रस्य वस्त्राणि बहु समीचीनं सन्ति.
Okay. Chitra Mohdaya.
राजकुमार्याः आभरणं कपाटिकायाम् अस्ति.
Rajakumaryaha abharanam kapatikayaha asti. Okay. Shailesh Mohdaya, next one. Mithila.
मिथिलायाः महाराजः जनकः अस्ति.
सम्यक्. मिथिलायाः महाराजः जनकः अस्ति. Okay. Next one. Shashti vibhakti rupani. So it's balakasya balakayoho balakanam. Right? So that's Shashti ekavachana, dvivachana and bahuvachana. Balikayaha balikayoho balikanam. Balikayoho should come. Here should come. Naryaha naryoho narinam. Mitrasya mitrayoho mitranam. Pullinga and Napumsakalinga is the same. So don't have to worry about that. It's only the Strilinga part. But it's almost the same, see? Balikayaha balikayoho balikanam. Naryaha naryoho narinam. It's just a little bit difference. All right, I think we'll do Abhyasa again. Okay, next one. Vishwanath Mohdaya, next. Balakah shalaha. So we'll do this with all the vachanas now. Balakah balakayoho balakanam.
So balakasya
Hmm.
shala,
Hmm.
balakayoho shalo,
Hmm.
balakanam shalanam.
Hmm.
No, shalaha.
You can say only shala as well, because if they are all going to one school,
Yeah,
then
okay.
balakanam shala. Only one
Balakanam shala.
Yeah, that should be fine. Do you have any sentence for this? Any vachana?
Balakasya shala
Hmm.
दूरम अस्ति.
Hmm. Duram asti. Okay. Actually, we can say dure as well, right? Chitra Mohoday? We can say dure as well.
बालकस्य शाला दूरे अस्ति.
Dure asti. Okay. Icha Mohoday, next one. Okay. It's the same
नारी
thing. Same ones. Okay. Yeah.
नारी नारी का नार्याः
Mhm.
नार्योः नारीणाम्
Yes.
आभरणानि प्लूरल
Abharanani.
आभरणस्य हाँ
No,
आभरण
because we are doing Shashti for only this one, right? Naryaha. This one is okay. Even if it is Abharanam or Abharanani, it's okay. Doesn't matter. Okay, we'll do only this one. Naryaha Abharanani Sundaram Santi. Okay. Dvivachana, what do you do? Leave Abharanam.
नार्योः नार्योः स्तः सन्ति
What will come? Asti staha santi. What will come?
अस्ति हाँ स्तः वेल्कम्
Why
द्विवचनम्
staha? The jewels of the women.
ओके हाँ फॉर वी विल टेक व्हाट इज फॉर आभरण संति ही रहेगा फिर
Santi hi rahega, right? Naryo abharanani sundarani santi. It will come. Because always when you say this with the adjective for this will be the same vachana as the subject. All right. So naryau abharanani sundarani santi. Chitra Mohoday, next one.
बालिकायाः क्रीडनकानि नूतनानि सन्ति. बालिकयोः क्रीडनकानि पेटिकायां सन्ति. बालिकानां क्रीडनकानि कुत्र सन्ति?
Samyak. Okay, a question. You did a question as well. Good. All right, Shailesh Mohoday, next one.
मित्रं गृहं मित्रस्य गृहं मन्दिरस्य समीपम् अस्ति.
Mitrasya griham mandirasya samipam asti. Okay.
मित्रे गृहे मन्दिरस्य समीपम् अस्ति.
Why mitre? What's the
मित्रे
dvivachana of Shashti Vibhakti?
मित्रस्य मित्रयोः गृहयोः मन्दिरं समीपम् अस्ति.
What did you frame? Can you please translate?
मित्रयोः
Mitrayoho grihayoho mandiram samipam asti.
अस्ति.
Right. So what did it mean?
Two friends, two house is near the temple.
Is that
Gruham,
right?
Gruhasya, Gruhayo, Gruhanam.
Gruhayoho. Why Gruhayoho?
Gruhasya, Gruhayoho, Gruhanam. Because Gruham,
मित्रस्य गृहं मित्रयोः गृहे मित्राणां गृहाणि क्योंकि दो अलग अलग मित्र अलग अलग घर में रहते हैं ना
Ramasya, Ramayoho, Ramanam. Mitrasya, Mitrayoho, Mitraanam. षष्ठी
हाँ।
विभक्ति.
Hmm.
तो गृहस्य, गृहयोः, गृहाणाम. षष्ठी विभक्ति.
मित्रस्य गृहं मित्र का गृह मित्र का
मित्रस्य,
घर
Okay.
गृह
You are getting confused with Mitra is right, whatever you said. Griham. Mitrasya griham mandirasya samipe asti. Right?
yeah.
Right?
Then two friends,
That's
two
what you said.
house is near
Okay.
the
2
house.
times 2 house. So what is it?
So
मित्र का गृह
मित्रस्य
Mitrayo.
मित्रयोः गृहयोः.
गृहयोः
Why Gruhayoho? Griham.
गृहयोः मतलब
गृहं-
ऑफ हाउस
गृहस्य गृहयोः.
गृहे
गृहस्य गृहयोः.
नहीं मित्र का ग्रह का ऐसा हो गया ना मित्र का घर का
मित्र का घर का मंदिर. You are
गृहं
saying मित्र
सब्जेक्ट
का
होना
घर का
चाहिए
मंदिर
मित्रस्य
नजदीक है.
गृहं मन्दिरस्य समीपमस्ति.
कर्ता षष्ठी विभक्ति में है और
नहीं, ओके
गृहम
मित्रस्य गृहं
एक प्रथमा विभक्ति में होगा ना
Okay, he
मित्रस्य
is telling
गृहं
2 house, two friends, 2 house. But 2
गृहे
house, what will happen? Griham, phalam, phale, phalani, right? So what will happen here? Griham,
तो गृहस्य गृह
गृहे
गृहं गृहाणि.
trayoho, okay, 2 friends, 2 house. How do you
Yeah.
say?
तो
2 friends, 2
मित्रयोः
house. Hmm.
मित्रयोः गृहयोः.
गृहे,
Two
गृहे,
house.
गृहे,
मित्रस्य-
right? Griham, गृहे, गृहाणि.
या मित्रस्य गृहे मन्दिरस्य समीपमस्ति.
Hmm.
And मित्राणां
right.
गृहाणां मन्दिरस्य
No, no,
समीपमस्ति.
mitranam
गृहाणि.
वाणी
Grihani. Right. Right. Mitranam grihani mandirasya
मन्दिरस्य
samipe
समीपमस्ति.
santi.
समीपम
सन्ति.
और समीपे.
Samipe santi.
समीपे
समीपे.
सन्ति.
So, the dvivachana will be what was the dvivachana?
मित्रयोः गृहे. मित्रयोः गृहे मित्राणां गृहाणि.
Yeah.
बहुवचन.
Can you please frame the whole sentence?
Okay.
Mitrayoho grihe.
मित्रस्य गृहं मन्दिरस्य समीपे अस्ति.
Next
Then
one.
मित्रयोः गृहे मन्दिरस्य समीपे स्तः.
Right.
And मित्राणां गृहाणि मन्दिरस्य समीपे सन्ति.
Samik. That's right. Right. So the griha doesn't come in Shashti Vibhakti. It's
No,
just
that's
the
right.
Mitra will come. Okay.
Yeah.
Vishwanath Mahodaya. Krishakah kshetram.
कृषकस्य क्षेत्रं कृषकयोः क्षेत्रे कृषकाणां क्षेत्राणि.
Some. Any sentence for this?
Yeah, I mean, कृषकस्य क्षेत्रं तत्र अस्ति. And क्षेत्रौ तत्र स्तः.
Krishakayoho
Yeah, कृषकयोः
kshetrau.
क्षेत्रे
तत्र
Kshetre. Yeah.
तत्र स्तः. And कृषकाणां क्षेत्राणि तत्र सन्ति.
Some.
It will be nam or nam.
Nam.
Krishkanam.
क्षेत्राणां
Kshetranam. Tra is
Tatra.
there, right? So, no.
Kshetranam or what about Krishaka? Krishkanam or Krishakanam?
Krishakanam.
Nam.
कृषकाणां
Krishak-
क्षेत्राणां.
Not no.
Krishaka-
It's no, isn't it?
Krishakanam. Krishakanam.
If
I
it
think
is,
it should come as Nam, probably. Krishakanam.
I forgot the Ratva Niyam.
No, if Sha is there, then it will be N. Sha or Tra, all those ones.
Yeah,
No,
so
but,
that will be the then
Yeah,
then.
but
It will be-
here I think it's because of some niyama. I don't know. I have it in Kovida in the some last
Krishaka naam.
pages which I
Because
haven't read
Krishaka
yet.
naam hoga. Krishaka naam hoga.
Krishaka Nam. This doesn't have a natvam.
yeah, when
Natvam.
Ka is there, there's
Samvit.
no Natva.
Yeah, but this has.
That is Ratva, yeah.
There is some specific rule because of that.
Let me look. I got a book.
Do you have it there? I know I have it in the last few lessons somewhere. Natvam, but I
No, we
haven't got.
did this in our PowerPoint 2 times before.
Okay,
We
yeah.
put in PowerPoint.
Have you printed out all the pages?
No, I haven't, but hold on.
Yeah, I
If there's a Ru, Ra, Kesha, then if it is Na immediately, or Ru, Ra, or Sha, and Na,
Immediately. If there is immediately,
yeah, immediately.
right? This is not immediate.
No, that's not
So
it.
probably-
Not
Yeah.
after Ru, there is no Ru, Sha. Yeah, if after Sha, Sha or Ha, Ya, Va, Pu or Pu, the Ka is there. So it should be Krushakaram.
Is it? Krishakarnam. Krishakarnam. Krishakarnam.
Is between Sha and another next word.
महोदय मैंने ग्रुप में भेजा है कुछ समझ में आता है देखो
Oh, Natvam simplified. Okay. R, Sh, R, R. So,
If
Kr
there
and
is
Sh
a-
has
if
come,
after
and
Sha,
Ka, if it comes, it has Natvam. Natvam, right?
Ratva,
Yeah,
it
so
should be
Krishakarnam.
Krushakaram.
Krishakarnam.
Krushakaram,
Yeah.
yeah.
This is a nice chart, actually. It's very nice.
Yeah.
Hmm.
It should
Easy
be
to follow.
Krushakaram, Kshetranam.
Krishakarnam, Kshetranam. Right. I thought because a Ka comes in between, we won't be having.
Yeah,
But yeah.
Ka, Pu. Any one of
Hmm.
them. Ka, Kha, Ga, Ga, Pa, Pa, Ba, Ba, Ba.
Right.
Then it becomes Ana.
Okay. Next, Nadi Jalam. Icha Mahoday.
नदी जलम नद्याः अहं नद्याः जलं कूप्याः नयामि अहं नद्योः जलं कूप्याः नयामि अहं नदीनां जलं कूप्याः नयामि
Good.
Is it
You
Nayami or Anayami?
Anayam. Anayam. Bring. Nayami is to carry.
Okay.
It's okay. Okay. All right. Good. You only said Anayami. That's it. Very good. Okay. Chitra Mode. Next one. Shala Spardha.
शालायाः स्पर्धा प्रातःकाले भविष्यति शालयोः स्पर्धे क्रीडाङ्गणे भविष्यतः शालानां स्पर्धा मञ्चे भविष्यन्ति स्टेज
Okay. Spardhaha. right? Shalanam spardhaha.
Sparda, Sparde,
Che-
Spard-
Spardhaha.
Spardaha.
Spardhaha. Okay, good. Shailesh Mahodaya, next one. Mandiram Puja.
Mandiram puja. Mandirasya puja सायंकाले सप्तवादने अस्ति.
Hmm.
मंदिरस्य पूजा मंदिरयोः पूजा सायंकाले सप्तवादने अस्ति.
Hmm.
मंदिराणां पूजा
Hmm.
सायंकाले सप्तवादने सन्ति.
Okay, puja, you have put puja as only one, right?
Yeah.
Puja, so it will be asti only. Mandiranam puja.
Yeah.
You have to say puja, puje, pujaha.
तब तो
Then
7 बजे
asti,
7 बजे की जगह और 2 टाइम बताना पड़ेगा.
No, मंदिरस्य पूजा
You're making
सप्तवादने.
it complicated. Oh,
दो
you
मंदिर
have
में
to-
पूजा 7 बजे है.
Hmm.
तो मंदिरयोः पूजा सप्तवादने.
But puja, you said only
पूजा
Ekavachana.
सेम ही रहेगा. पूजा सेम ही रहेगा.
Yeah.
Puja.
तो कर्ता इज मंदिर और पूजा.
Okay, so if you keep puja as ekavachana only, then mandirani puja
मंदिराणाम पूजा
sayankale mandiranam puja sayankale
सायंकाले
saptavadane
सप्तवादने
asti
अस्ति.
puja. You said in
Okay.
ekavachana, right? So asti.
तो मंदिराणाम इज नॉट अ कर्ता. कर्ता इज पूजा.
Puja. Yeah, you
What is
need
the
to go
doer?
into this karma pada and then you have to go. Mandirasya puja. So
Yeah.
it is temples puja.
Yeah.
If there are 3 temples, puja will be done.
Yeah.
It doesn't make
Okay.
sense in English when you translate. It's the same thing.
No, in this sentence, it is sometimes you can't judge who could be the doer.
No,
Karta,
here
karta.
there is no doer. Here there is no karta actually. Mandirasya puja. It's just the relationship. It's there, right?
षष्ठी विभक्ति कभी कर्ता नहीं हो सकता.
Hmm.
जो भी चीज प्रथम
That's
विभक्ति
the
में
reason. Sorry, Mode.
No, I was saying whichever word is in Prathama Vibhakti, according to that, the verb will be taken.
Yeah, yeah.
So when you say something whose, like what happened, whose, then that will only go into Shashti Vibhakti. But the
Yeah.
object, what he has or what he possesses, will be whatever Vibhakti it is in, that will go with Asti, Santi, or whatever.
Yeah.
If I have explained properly.
मंदिरस्य पूजा मतलब तत् मंदिरस्य पूजा. तब तो तत् आएगा लगता है प्रथमा विभक्ति में. वो कर्ता आ गया.
Tat Mandirasya puja.
सायंकाले सप्तवादने अस्ति.
Yeah, and Shashti
Ah.
Vibhakti, it's not
It's
called
not
a
vibhakti.
Karaka. Karaka, we have only Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, and Saptami. Shashti we don't say as a Karaka, right?
हाँ.
Because when with the Kriyapada, when you go, the Kriyapada is related to the Karta usually, right?
Yeah.
Balakaha patati, balakaha patanti, right? But here in Shashti Vibhakti, like there is no specific karta. So here it's only sambandha, right? Relationship between an object and an object, or a person and an object, or person or person, right? So there's no particularly a karta. So even the kriya, it's not, there's no karta kriya relationship here,
Yeah.
right? So that's the difference in Shashti Vibhakti compared to
Yeah.
other Vibhaktis, right? So we shouldn't get confused with all these ones.
अर्चकः तत् मन्दिरस्य पूजा करोति अर्चकः कर्तापदं तत् सर्वनाम मन्दिरस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति पूजां कर्मपदं करोति क्रियापदम्
Yeah.
But in Shashti Vibhakti, the main will be this one, Mandirasya Puja.
Yeah.
That's the main thing.
Mandir yoho puja and mandiranam puja.
Mm.
Yeah.
Vishwanath Mode, next one. Sainyam Ashvaha.
Sainyam Ashvaha. Sainyasya Ashvayoho.
Wait, this is the thing. We get confused with this. Ashvaha, Sainyam Ashvaha. When you say Ashvaha are the horses, right? Horses. That's it. Sainyasya Ashvaha. The army's horses.
Yeah, so that
We
will
don't have to
remain
say
as
Ashvayoho or whatever. Because this doesn't come in Shashti Vibhakti. Ashvaha doesn't come in Shashti Vibhakti. Right? Only Sainyam comes in Shashti Vibhakti. So we can leave Ashvaha alone. Right? So Sainyasya Ashvaha.
Shainyayoho Ashvaha. Shainyanam Ashvaha.
Yeah. So Sainyam only will go into Shashti Vibhakti, not the other one. Not the possessive, what do you call, the possession doesn't go into Shashti. Only the possessor goes into Shashti. Right? Nagari Prakaraha. Icha Mohode.
नगर्याः प्राकारः दृढ़ः स्ट्रॉन्ग को दृढ़ बोल सकते हैं
Yeah, firm. Dhradaha is firm. Strong is Shakti, Shaktiman.
बलिष्ठः
Balishtaha.
बलिष्ठः
बलिष्ठा तो आदमी को यूज करते हैं
Patrika, no, which is that? Nagari Prakaraha. Right.
प्राकारः I found the meaning is fence.
प्राकार मतलब सराउंडिंग्स
बाउंड्री. अच्छा. ओ
हम जैसे प्रदक्षिणा डालते हैं प्रदक्षिणा करते हैं ना.
Oh, strong in Strilinga.
तो ये स्त्रीलिंग है.
प्राकार नगरी.
अच्छा.
नगरी
नहीं प्रकार को
नगरी.
हम एडजेक्टिव विशेषण देना है ना.
Yeah. Okay. Yes. Nagaryaha.
नगर्योः.
Prakarah.
नगर्याः प्रकारः सुन्दरम् अस्ति. नगर्यो.
सुन्दरः अस्ति. Like.
सुन्दरः अस्ति. नगरयोः प्राकारः सुन्दरः अस्ति. नगराणां प्राकारः सुन्दरः अस्ति.
Okay. Chitra Mohode, next one.
पत्रिकायाः वार्ताः दीर्घाः सन्ति. पत्रिकयोः वार्ताः पत्रिकायाः वार्तासु निर्वाचनस्य विषयमस्ति. पत्रिकानां वार्ताः
पत्रिकाणां वार्ताः
दूसरा विभक्ति में डालना पड़ेगा। पत्रिका नाम वार्तासु
the magazines news okay
पत्रिकायाः वार्ताः सम्यक् सन्ति।
okay
चलनचित्रस्य विषये अस्ति।
Hmm.
पत्रिकानां वार्तासु चलनचित्रस्य विषय अस्ति।
Okay, so yeah, good. Shailesh Mohdaya, last one. Deshah praja. Prajaha.
देशः प्रजाः भारतदेशस्य प्रजाः
Hmm.
प्रायशः
Hmm.
धनिकः नास्ति।
Hmm.
And Bharat, you can't have two Bharat.
You can say Bharat and other Desha. Desha.
Bharat,
Desha, yeah.
Bharat, Bangladesh, Bangladesh,
देशयोः
You don't have to worry. You don't have to worry about what Desha. We'll
देशयोः
just focus on Desha,
yeah.
whichever Desha.
भारत बांग्लादेशयोः देशः भारत बांग्लादेशयोः च प्रजा धनिकं नास्ति।
Prajaha.
Then भारत बांग्लादेशः ब्रह्मदेशाणां प्रजा धनिकं नास्ति।
न सन्ति।
सन्ति
Prajaha.
प्रजाः सन्ति।
Right. So this one is Prajaha, so Bahuvachana should come. All right. Next one. So here it is Karoti Karanam. So here, if you see this, Balakaha Pustakam Adhite. Balakaha Pustakasya Adhyayanam Karoti. This is what we have done so many times. If we don't know the word, just say Karoti. So this is how it happens, right? Vishwanath Modaya, can you please read?
Yeah.
the whole line?
Balakasya pustakam adhite.
No, Balakaha Pustakam Adhite. Balaka
Balaka pustakam adhite.
studies the book.
Balaka pustakasya adhyanam karoti.
Adhyayanam Karoti.
Is this Adita is Atmanepadi?
Yes, it is. Adhite.
Patati.
Patati. Pustakam Patati. Adhite is to study.
Munihi satyam upadeshati. Munihi satyasya upadesham karoti. Vikrayikaha.
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 Sorry. Vikrayikaha phalam vikrinite. Vikrayikaha phalasya vikriyanam karoti.
Vikriyanam Karoti.
Kapihi vanam nashayati. Kapihi vanasya nashanam karoti.
So what did we learn here? So when
क्रियापदस्य विभज्य प्रयोगम।
right, so you can put Karoti and you can have a different word for the Kriyapada. So instead of Adhite, we can say Adhyayanam Karoti. But what difference did you
तब कर्मपद षष्ठी विभक्ति में आ जाता है।
From Dvitiya, it becomes Shashti, right? Balakaha will be same, the boy. Pustakam, pustakasya adhyayanam karoti. Yeah, Adite. The boy studies the book. The boy, what will happen in English? The boy
Boy
Books,
Study.
books,
studies
study.
of the book.
Study.
Boy is doing study of the book.
Yeah. Right? Munihi satyam upadeshati. The Muni, what do you say
उपदिशति
for
होना चाहिए
upadesh?
उधर, उपदिशति.
Upadishati, yeah. Upadishati is preaching the truth, right? So here what happens?
मुनिः सत्यस्य उपदेशं करोति.
Hmm.
ये
Yeah.
active passive नहीं है. This is not active passive.
No,
This
no,
is
no.
this is not active passive. No. This is not. It's just the
Other
it's
way of
just to
writing.
show the Shashti Vibhakti.
Yeah.
Right? We are focusing on Shashti Vibhakti, right? So it's just to show the Shashti Vibhakti how we can do it. Like instead of doing this, Balaka Pustakam Adite, we can just put Shashti Vibhakti for the object, Pustakasya, and then Adhyanam Karoti, of the truth. Muni preaches of the truth, that way. Preaches the truth. It's
What is the dhatu of upadeshati?
Upadesh.
Upa is the prefix.
Upasarga. No, it's not upasarga.
No. It is Upadesh, I think.
So
Dhatu.
dish, is it? Dhatu root is dish.
Probably, yeah. Right, Chitra Mode? Do you
न
remember?
जानामि महोदय.
Upadesh, probably. I'll see and let you know.
This karoti and karanam.
Hmm.
This karanam is not any vibhakti, is it?
No, it's not Vibhakti. It's Karoti. Karoti is a Kriyapada.
Kriyapada, yes. So
Yeah.
karoti becomes karanam. So is
Karanam
it krudant?
करण तो तृतीय विभक्ति में आते हैं.
नहीं. और विभक्ति का तो किधर विभक्ति होता है? क्रियापद का विभक्ति नहीं होता है.
No, it doesn't become Vibhakti.
No.
But
Karanam could be krudant then.
Karanam is a noun.
Yeah, so it must be krudant. I don't know which one is that. Is it
It's a
we haven't
Pradhama
studied the
vibhakti.
krudant, so
no, I too don't know exactly what happens.
the
But here,
krutva,
when you see
karaniya,
this, Karoti is Kriyapada.
kriyapad.
Kriyapada only, yeah, right?
करणम् इत्युक्ते करना.
Karna, that's what. Adhyanam Karna. Study Karna. So here, instead of this Kriyapada, Adite, Upadeshati, Vikrinite, Nashayati, we put on Karoti and then we put this one in Dvitiya Vibhakti, the actual word, right? So I don't know exactly what.
इसको क्रियापद का विभज्य क्रियापदस्य विभज्य प्रयोगः इति उच्यते. तदा कर्मपदस्य षष्ठी भवति. यदा क्रियापदस्य विभजनं भवति तदा कर्मपदस्य षष्ठी भवति.
Right, and that's okay. But what Shailesh Mohdaya is asking, because that is a Kriyapada as well. Adhyayanam Karoti is Kriyapada, right? So Adhyayanam.
I think this karanam is one of the krudant is there. I don't know which one is that. Just like becomes a krutva, kartum, it one of the krudant is there, the karanam.
No, I don't remember. I'll have to
You
see.
can't have a literal translation. It is like dhavanam. Sa dhavanam karoti. So you can't say he is what? He is running is also, dhavati is also running.
Yeah.
So it is difficult to have a literal translation to any other language.
Anyway, I think we are going out of the topic. Just concentrate on the Shashti Vibhakti.
Otherwise, you'll keep going in circles with this only.
Yeah.
And especially in English, it's a bit.
Yes, and English is one of the most crude language.
Yeah. I think leave it. Yeah.
We might have to say it in our language. Probably then we'll get it.
Patati.
Okay,
Patanam.
so here we'll see what happens. All right, Shailesh Mohdaya, you can start with this. Patati.
Patati becomes Patanam.
Karoti.
Patanam karoti. Only not
karoti.
patanam, but patanam karoti.
Then
Next.
Likhati.
Lekanam karoti.
Yeah, you can do one line each, one row each, all of you. So
Okay.
Shailesh Mohdaya, you can do all these ones.
Patati Patanam karoti.
Uh,
Likhati Lekhanam karoti.
mm,
Gachati Gamanam karoti.
mm,
Khadati Khadanam karoti.
mm,
Kridati Kridanam karoti.
mm.
Bhunkte Bhunktanam karoti.
No,
Punjanam
bhunkte is to eat. Bhojanam karoti.
Bhojanam karoti.
Bhojanam karoti.
Karoti.
Right. Vishwanath Mohdaya, next one.
Shrunoti.
Mm.
Shrunoti.
This is the special verb we always used to see. Shrunoti.
Shravanam, is it?
Shravanam karoti.
Shravanam karoti.
Mm,
Gayati Gayanam karoti.
mm,
Chintayati Chintanam karoti.
mm.
Ganayati Gananam karoti.
Gananam, yeah.
Kathayati Kathanam karoti.
Mm.
Nrityati Nrityam karoti.
Nrityati, it becomes nartanam.
Oh, yes, right.
Nartanam karoti.
Nartanam karoti.
Okay. Chitra Mohdaya, next one.
Pronoti
No,
Shravanam karoti.
upavishati.
Upavishati Upaveshanam karoti. Pravishati Pravesham karoti. Tishtati.
What dhatu is it? Tishtati.
Dhatu.
So?
नहीं मालूम होता है. स्थापनम नहीं होता है.
Stapanam.
स्थापनम होता है क्या? तिष्ठति
Yeah,
मतलब खड़ा होना.
Tishtati. Stapanam only. I
Uttishtatam.
don't know any other this one.
Tishthanam.
No. Tishta will become stha
खड़ा
dhatu.
होना.
So स्थापनम karoti.
Wait. तिष्ठतु मतलब wait.
Sthapayatu.
खड़ा.
Sthapayatu. So you keep it there.
प्रतिष्ठते प्रतिष्ठापनं करोति. आगच्छति आगमनं करोति. वदति वदनं करोति वा?
Vadanam karoti.
Pratisthati Pratishtham
It won't
karoti.
become uktam or anything. So I think it is vadanam only. Vadanam karoti.
This Pratisthate, it can become Pratistham karoti.
हाँ हो सकता है.
Pratishtham karoti. Probably, yeah. Pratishtham karoti.
प्रतिष्ठापनम करोति भी चलता होगा. प्रतिष्ठते अर्थ प्रतिष्ठा करना है ना भगवान का. प्रतिष्ठापनम करोति.
Yeah, you can say pratishtapanam also, I think, because tishtati is stapanam.
So
Pratishtati.
if you say Pratishthe and then you say Sthapanam, so Tishtha and Sthapan both you are using. Is it right?
Uttishta, if you say
No,
uttishta, it's not stapanam for uttishta. For uttishta,
it is to get up.
yeah, it will be
And
utthapanam.
Upavita is to sit down.
Yes, utthapanam karoti.
Utthap. Yeah.
Yeah. Upavishati upaveshanam karoti.
Yeah, Upaveshanam.
Icha Mohdaya, last row.
पचति पचनम करोति. पश्यति दर्शनम
Pachanam, will it be okay or pakam? Pakam or paksham, something like that. Maybe Pachanam also, it should be fine, I think. Right? Pakam karoti. That's
Pakam.
what we say, right? I don't know whether Pachanam is right. It might be right.
Pakvam.
Pakvam karoti. No. Pachanam or Pakam, probably. I think. Okay, next one.
Pachati's root
Pashyati.
is pach.
Pach dhatu.
Pashyat. Pashyati darshanam karoti.
Right.
Pibati
What's the
pa
dhatu?
pa
Patu.
patum karoti.
No. Patum
Patum.
is Tupun Pratyaya.
हाँ,
Pa, panam.
पानम पानम
Pan
करोति
karoti.
यच्छति यच्छति means give, no, donate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yach is the dhatu. Yachanam karoti.
It might not be.
Dati
Danam karoti.
danam karoti. Danam karoti.
Danam karoti.
Svikaroti. Svikaroti. Svi कर धातु करोगे, no?
Yeah.
स्वीकरणं करोति. स्वीकरणं करोति.
See here, karoti karanam. So it's vikaranam karoti.
हाँ, स्वीकरणं करोति. धावति धावनं करोति.
All right. So we'll go to the next one. This is called bhavatyotaka shabdaha. Okay, so it is like nashanam, pathanam, smaranam, pariksha. All right. Icha Mode, you can read this.
भावद्योतक शब्दः नाशनं पठनं स्मरणं परीक्षा. भावद्योतक शब्दः convey action like destruction, teaching, remembering, etc. Such words are often used with anantaram and purvam.
Okay. So all these shabdas are used with anantaram and purvam. All right, I think we'll go into the next.
Yes, just to interrupt, going back to Tishtati.
Yeah.
I think it should be Sthanam Karoti.
Sthanam. Okay. Stadhatu, that's right. I thought
Yeah.
sthapanam.
It should be Sthanam Karoti.
Sthanam. Okay. Sthanam. And did you see this? Pratishtate?
No, I have not checked that.
Okay.
The root was, I guess, pra and stha.
Prasthanam karoti.
Must be Prasthanam, yes.
Prasthanam. Pratishtate. Maybe. Yeah. So we see the root word and then we can know what it is. So Ichamode pachati might be pachanam karoti then.
Pakam karoti.
Pakam karoti, okay. Because this is where we were thinking pachanam or pakam. I thought it's pakam, but when you say
Pashyatika. Pashyatika.
Darshanam.
Pashyatika darshanam.
Pibatika panam karoti. Yachatika danam karoti.
Danam.
Swikarotika swikaram karoti. Dhavatika dhavanam karoti.
Swikaranam, right? Swikaroti.
Swikaram karoti.
Swikaram karoti also, yeah, it feels correct. Dhavati dhavanam karoti. Okay, need to go and look into this. Okay. All right, so we'll go through this and see what's there. Okay, Shailesh Modaya.
Saha anantaram purvam cha. Saha pustakasya pathanasya anantaram snanam karoti. Devasya prarthanayaha anantaram saha gatvan. When anantaram is used, both the karma padam and bhava dyotak padam get shashti vibhakti. सा देवस्य पूजनात् पूर्वं स्नाति कर्म करी पात्रस्य प्रक्षालनयात् पूर्वं जलं पिबति. When पूर्वम is used, the karma padam gets षष्ठी vibhakti and bhava द्योतक padam gets पंचमी विभक्ति.
Okay.
पुस्तकस्य पठनस्य अनन्तरं
पुस्तकस्य पठनस्य अनन्तरम. After reading
पुस्तक के पढ़ने के बाद देव की प्रार्थना के बाद, या हिंदी में if you adjust it then you get it.
प्रार्थना के बाद.
अनंतरम means बाद and पूर्वम means पहले.
Yeah. Before.
Yeah.
Right.
तो देव की पूजा के पहले.
देव के पूजा के पहले.
At the bottom.
It comes KK, right?
अनंतरम मतलब बाद में है ना?
बाद. Anantaram is बाद, Purvam is before. Right? Pehle. So whenever Anantaram or Purvam comes, whenever Anantaram comes, both the Shabdas, Pustakam and Pathanam, or both the Shabdas will have Shashti Vibhakti. Right? It says here. I always get confused with this. Bhavatyotaka Shabda is like what we saw here. Nashanam, Pathanam, Smaranam, all these one. Right? They are called Bhavatyotaka Shabda.
Okay,
right?
now if that first sentence,
Yeah.
if you want to make it with a Purvam, so
Yes.
Saha
Pustakasya Pathanat Purvam. It comes as Panchami Vibhakti. Right? So that Pathanam Shabda will become Panchami Vibhakti if Purva is there. If Anantaram is there, the Pathanam will become Shashti Vibhakti.
Okay. So Pustakasya Pathanat Purvam Snanam Karot.
Right?
So
Okay.
the Bhavadyotaka padam are supposed to be in Napunsakalinga always? Because Pathanam, Shayanam, वो तो सब में ही end हो रहा है. In the last slide
but
it
you can't
also
say
said
it is Napumsakalinga. It's not Napumsakalinga. Pathanam, that is what do you call? The Shabda is like that. Bhavatyotaka.
हाँ मतलब जो भी विभक्ति षष्ठी पंचमी करना है तो हम we will use the नपुंसकलिंग वाला format.
Yes, that's right. So when Anantaram comes, you have to put the Pathanam or anything, whatever we saw all these ones, right? Everything comes in Shashti Vibhakti. All Pathanam, Lekhanam. Pustakasya Lekhanam Anantaram. Pustakasya Lekhanasya Anantaram Snanam Karomi. That way. Okay. If I have to say Purvam, then I have to say Pustakasya Panchami. It goes into Pancham. Right? So that's how it is. Anantaram and Purvam. That's the rules in Shashti. Because remember, we were seeing all the rules in Panchami, Chaturthi and everything. Here we just went a bit away from that. So this is the rule for Shashti. Now, all right. I think, so did you get this?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go to Sarvanama Pada now. Okay. Vishwanath Moday.
Tad Shabda Shashti Vibhakti Rupani Pulingi. Sambandham of belonging to male Rishu Vachaneshu. Vasishtaha Tasya Guru. Vashishta is his Rama's guru. Vasishtah tayoho guru. Vasishta is their, two of them, guru.
Mm.
Vasishtah tesham guru.
Mm.
Vasishta is their guru.
Okay. So this is tat shabda tasya tayoho tesham. Right? Yeah, so Vashishta is his guru, Vashishta is their guru for Dvivachana and their guru for Bahuvachana. Tasya tayoho tesham. Okay, so here we have this tat shabda for everything. Icha Mahoday, do you want to just read this?
तत् शब्दः विभक्ति रूपाणि पुल्लिङ्गे प्रथमा सः तौ ते तं तौ तान् तेन ताभ्यां तैः तस्मै ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्मात् ताभ्यां तेभ्यः तस्य तयोः तेषाम्.
So we have learnt up to Shashti Vibhakti. Tasya tayoho tesham. Right. So do you have you memorized all these ones till Panchami?
Yeah.
Okay, good. These tables are so important that if we memorize
yeah.
now, it will be very easy for the next levels, because
Yeah.
all these tables are useful for the next
Yeah.
few
Yeah.
levels too. So okay, and then etat shabdah. एषः एतौ एते एतम् एतौ एतान् एतेन एताभ्याम् एतैः एतस्मै एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः एतस्मात् एताभ्याम् एतेभ्यः. And then the Shashti Vibhakti will be etasya etayoho etesham. Tasya tayoho tesham. Etasya etayoho etesham. All right, it's not that difficult. And then we have Kim Shabda. Chitra Moday. Kim Shabda.
किं शब्दः षष्ठी विभक्तिः रूपाणि पुल्लिङ्गे सम्बन्धं whose belonging to whom मेल त्रिषु वचनेषु वसिष्ठः कस्य गुरुः वसिष्ठः तस्य एतस्य रामस्य गुरुः वसिष्ठः कयोः गुरुः वसिष्ठः तयोः एतयोः रामलक्ष्मणयोः गुरुः वसिष्ठः केषां गुरुः वसिष्ठः तेषाम् एतेषां रामलक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्नानां गुरुः. महोदय तत्र उधर लाइन लगाना पड़ेगा क्या राम लक्ष्मण योः बीच में?
No line. This is just to for us
Differentiate.
to read. It will be easy for us to read. That's why. Usually we don't put any lines, but you might have seen in the stotras and all, because it's easy to read. They put the lines for us.
We can put the cha. Ram Lakshman Bharat Shatrughan Nam cha Guru.
नहीं वो च लगाएंगे, नहीं तो समासित पद है तो राम लक्ष्मण भरत शत्रुघ्नानाम विदाउट लाइन.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then it becomes one word.
One word.
One word.
Right? Okay, so it's kasya kayoho kesham. Okay. Etasya ramasya tayoho etayoho rama lakshmana yoho. When you say kayoho, you say two of them, but then Rama will be Rama and then Lakshmana yoho. The second pada will get the dvitiya, not dvitiya, dvivachana rupam. All right, and here again kesham, tesham, etesham, and then the last word will get the bahuvachana rupam.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Other ones are all like they have their dhatus. Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata. Right? Shatrughnanam. Then it will come. The last word will be in the Bahuvachana form. Okay. So here, Kim Shabda, Shailesh Mohdaya, you can just read this.
Yeah. Kah kau ke, kam kau kan, kena kavyam kaihi, kasmai kavyam kebhyah, kasmat kavyam kebhyah, kasya kayoho kesham. Shashti Vibhakti.
Shashti Vibhakti. Kasya kayoho kesham. Okay, you can do the Abhyasa Mohdaya.
Nakulasya, Nakulah, तस्य अनुजः, नकुलः तस्य अनुजः। अहं कस्य पूजां करोमि?
Right. So that's it, and nothing else. You can just do it in Dvivachana as well.
नकुलौ, नकुलस्
No, Nakulaha.
नकुलः तस्य नकुलः तयोः
Tayoho.
अनुजः।
Nakula is their two brother. Nakulaha is their more than 3 siblings. So
नकुलः
Tesham
द्विवचन will be सः is तयोः, तस्य तयोः, नकुलः
Tayoho.
तयोः अनुजः।
Yeah. And then Bahuvachana
Yeah.
Nakulaha
तेषाम् अनुजः।
Tesham Anujaha. Right? So it's the same thing with all these ones
Yeah.
as well. Okay.
अहं कयोः पूजां करोमि? अहं केषां पूजां करोमि?
Okay, not many in here.
No.
Vishwanath Moday.
Yeah, that Shabda Shashti Vibhakti Rupani Strilingi. Sambandham of belonging to female Trishu Vachaneshu. Malati Tasyaha Janani. Malati is her mother. Malati Tayoho Janani. Malati is the mother of those two females. Malati Tasam Janani. Malati is the mother of those females, their mother.
Okay. So in Strilinga it becomes Tasyaha Tayoho Tasam. Right? And with the Kim Shabda it will be Ka. It starts from Ka. So can you please read this, Moday?
Yeah.
Tat Shabda Vibhakti Rupani
Shabda Vibhakti Rupani Strilinge. Sa te taha, tam te taha, taya tabhyam tabihi, tasyai tabhyam tabhyah, tasyaha tabhyam tabhyah, tasyaha tayoho tasam.
Yeah. Tasyaha Tayoho Tasam. All right. And this one, Etat Shabda.
Etat Shabda, Esha, Ete, Etaha, Etam, Ete, Etaha, Etaya, Etabhyam, Etabihi, Etasye, Etabhyam, Etabhyah, Etasyaha, Etabhyam, Etabhyah, Etasyaha, Etayoho, Etasam.
Okay, I think there will be Abhyasa. No. Okay. Can you please read this, too? Kim Shabda, Shashti Vibhakti. It's the same thing, but now we have the answer here. Right? So.
Okay, shall I continue?
Yeah. You can
Okay.
continue. Or Chitra Moday can say it.
No, I'll continue. It's okay.
Okay.
Sambandham, who's belonging to whom? Female. Trishu Vachaneshu. Malati Kasyaha Janani. Malati Tasyaha Etasyaha Sitayaha Janani. Malati Kayoho Sitayaha Janani. Malati Kayoho Janani. Malati Tayoho Etayoho Chatrayoho Janani. Malati Kasam Janani. Malati Tasam Etasam Chatranam Janani.
Okay. So here, Kasyaha Kayoho Kasam, Tasyaha Tayoho Tasam, Etasyaha Etayoho Etasam, Sitayaha Chatrayoho Chatranam. Right? All right, we'll go. Next one, Kim Shabda is Kakekaha, Kamkekaha, Kaya Kabhyam Kabhihi, कस्यै काभ्यां काभ्यः कस्याः काभ्यां काभ्यः कस्याः कयोः कासाम्. Okay, you can do this, Abhyasa Mohoday. You have read so much, so you will remember. Dasharatah,
Dasharatah
तस्याः तयोः तासां छत्रं स्वीकरोति.
Yeah, I didn't get the connection here. How do you do that?
You have to make this tat shabda in Shashti,
Shashti
right?
थर्ड कॉलम में 2 ही विकल्प हैं.
Yeah, there's not much. So Dasharatah, what is the Shashti vibhakti of tat shabda strilinga?
Tasya.
Tasyaha.
What is that?
Tayaha.
तस्याः
Tasyaha
Tasyaha.
Chatram Swikaroti.
Next one, Mahila.
Mahila.
You can say Ka.
Mahila.
Kim Shabda. What is
Tasyaha.
the Shashti vibhakti?
Mahilaha Kasyaha Patihi.
ना रॉन्ग है.
That's wrong. Kasyaha Patihi.
महिलाः कस्याः छत्रं स्वीकरोति. महिलाः कयोः छत्रं स्वीकरोति. महिलाः कासां छत्रं स्वीकरोति.
This
दशरथः
one, Dasharatah. You can say Dasharatah Kasyaha Patihi. That will be
तस्याः
right.
पतिः, तस्याः पतिः, तस्याः पतिः.
Right? Basically, you have to
Yeah.
convert this into Shashti Vibhakti,
Shashti.
Ekvachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana. All right. Okay, next, Chitra Mohoday.
तद् शब्दः षष्टि विभक्ति रूपाणि नपुंसकलिङ्गे सम्बन्धम् ऑफ बिलोंगिंग टू न्यूटर त्रिषु वचनेषु. सेविका तस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति. द सर्वेंट डस इट्स क्लीनिंग. सेविका तयोः प्रक्षालनं करोति. द सर्वेंट डस द क्लीनिंग ऑफ दोस टू आइटम्स. सेविका तेषां प्रक्षालनं करोति. द सर्वेंट डस द क्लीनिंग ऑफ दोस आइटम्स.
So it's Napumsakalinga basically. That's why it's yeah. We can put some word here, but that's okay. Tasya tayoho tesham. So tat shabda tattetani tena tabhyam taihi tasmai tabhyam tebhyah tasmat tabhyam tebhyah tasya tayoho tesham. That will be the Shashti vibhakti. All right. And etat shabda is the same. Etasya etayoho etesham. Okay. All right. Next one, Mohoday. Kim shabda napumsakalinga.
किम शब्दः षष्टि विभक्ति रूपाणि नपुंसकलिङ्गे सम्बन्धं whose belonging to whom what neuter त्रिषु वचनेषु. सेविका कस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका तस्य एतस्य पात्रस्य प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका कयोः प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका तयोः एतयोः पात्रयोः प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका केषां प्रक्षालनं करोति. सेविका तेषां एतेषां पात्राणां प्रक्षालनं करोति.
So this is the Kim Shabda, and Kim Shabda will be Kasya Kayoho Kesham. All right, it will be the same as Pullinga. So no
Yeah.
problem. Abhyasa.
नृपः तस्य अन्वेषणं करो. नहीं, भवान भवती भवान नहीं. नृपः तस्य निर्माणं करोति. नृपः तयोः निर्माणं करोति. नृपः तेषां निर्माणं करोति.
Then Bhavan Bhavati will be Anveshanam Karoti.
भवान् एतस्य अन्वेषणं करोतु. एतयोः अन्वेषणं करोतु. एतेषाम् अन्वेषणं करोतु. कस्य अन्वेषणं करोतु. कयोः अन्वेषणं करोतु. नहीं.
No.
भवान् है तो
Nirmanam
कस्य.
Karoti. Kasya Nirmanam Karoti. It will be. Nripaha Kasya Nirmanam Karoti. Kayoho
भवान्
Kesham.
कस्य अन्वेषणं करोतु.
Yeah.
वो नहीं होगा ना.
Basically, it's no. Nripaha Kasya Anveshanam Nirmanam Karoti. Anveshanam Karotu can't be happen because it's Bhavan Bhavati only Karotu. Right? You can say actually. Nripaha but it doesn't make sense because it's this one, right? Prarthana. So,
Request अथवा प्रार्थना.
okay. Icha Moday, next one.
यत् शब्दः षष्ठी विभक्ति रूपाणि पुल्लिङ्गे यस्य ययोः येषाम् of whom whose male वसिष्ठः यस्य गुरुः अस्ति सः रामः. The person whose guru Vashishta is, he is Ram. वशिष्ठः ययोः गुरुः अस्ति तौ राम लक्ष्मणौ. The two people whose guru Vashishta is, they two are Ram and Lakshmana. वसिष्ठः येषां गुरुः अस्ति ते रामः लक्ष्मणः भरतः शत्रुघ्नः च. The people whose guru Vasishta is, they are Ram, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrugna.
Okay. So, what can I say? Yeah, the translation is there. So the person Vashishtaha Yasya Guruhu Asti Saha Ramaha. So I think you will get the Abhyasa. We'll go into Abhyasa and see. Okay, this one will be Yad Shabda. Same thing. Yasya Yayoho Yesham. If you know one Shabda, you can just do the same thing because it's all the same. Only the first letter will be different. All right, this is Strilinga. Ichamode, you can do this as well.
Yat shabdah shashti vibhakti rupani strilinge yayaha yayoho yasam of whom whose female. Dashrathaha yasyaha patihi asti sa Kausalya. She whose husband is Dashratha is Kaushalya. Dashrathaha yayoho patihi asti te Kausalya Sumitre. The two women whose husband is Dashratha are Kausalya and Sumitra. Dashratha yasam patihi asti taha Kausalya Sumitra Kaikeyi cha. The women whose husband is Dashratha are Kaushalya, Sumitra and Kaikeyi.
Do you know why it's Te Kausalya Sumitre and not Sumitra? Sumitra?
Two people.
Yeah, so Dvivachana, right? So the last word will be in Dvivachana. All right, and here it's come as Cha. That's why it's okay. You can just say only the names. All right. And this one, Yat Shabda will be Yasyaha Yayoho Yasam. Okay, and Napumsakalinga, Mahoday, just you can say, then we can go into
Yat Shabdah Shashti Vibhakti Rupani Napumsakalinge Yasya Yayoho Yesham of whom whose which neuter. Sevika Yasya Prakshalanam Karoti Tat Patram. The object whose cleaning is done by the servant is a vessel. Sevika Yayoho Prakshalanam Karoti Te Patre. The two objects whose cleaning is done by the servant is a vessel. Te pat are two vessels, right? Patre. Te patre.
are two vessels. Yeah. Yeah.
Sevika yesha prakshalanam karoti tani patrani. The objects whose cleaning is done by the servant are vessels.
Are vessels. Yeah. That's a typo. Are vessels. Okay. So Yat Shabda Napumsakalinga Yasya Yayoho Yesham. Same as Pullinga. All right, we'll do this. We'll see how much we know. All right. Shailesh Mahoday, first one.
He whose mother is Parvati is Ganesha.
Now, like last time, yeah, we'll see this one first, what linga it is, and then we can.
Ganeshasya.
No, he whose.
Yeah.
Yat Shabda.
Yasya Mata Parvati Sah Ganeshaha.
Saha Ganeshaha.
Yasya Mata पार्वती अस्ति स गणेशः.
You don't
Did
need
I?
to write asti, but yeah, you can write as well.
Okay.
So first we see which linga it is, and then we go yasya or
Okay.
yasya.
Yeah.
Okay. Vishwanath Modaya, next one. Are you speaking? You are on mute. Vishwanath Modaya, you are on mute.
यस्य नामं कृष्णः तस्य अहं वन्दति नमति.
तम होना चाहिए क्या उधर?
Namati.
नमति.
So what did you say? Yasya
यस्य नाम कृष्णः तस्य अहं नमामि.
tasya won't come, right?
तम होना
Yasya,
चाहिए.
he whose name is, I worship him. So him is
ताम् अहं नमामि.
Is that right? Anybody?
He whose name is Krishna, I worship.
Tam,
Yasya.
him is
Ah,
pulling.
तम श्री
Sorry.
पुल्लिंग अस्ति. ताम स्त्रीलिंग अस्ति. तम अहं नमामि.
Tam. Sorry. Yeah, tam.
Yasya naam is Krishna. Yasya naam
Yasya nama
Krishna.
Krishnaha.
नहीं तो तस
Aham
Tam aham
Tam.
namah.
यस्य नाम कृष्णः तस्य अहं नमनं करोमि.
Yeah,
You
that's
can
better.
say that as well. Namami also you can say, no problem. But here, the main thing is it comes as tam here.
तम.
Him. So it's pullinga. Yasya nama Krishna asti tam vande. Okay. All right. Vande also you can say. Aham vande. Oh, they are put it in Atmanepadi, but we can say namami as well. Okay. Chitra Mohoday.
She whose husband is Rama is Sita. यस्याः अस्याः पतिः रामः सा सीता.
Yeah. Okay. Icha Mohoday, next one.
He whose name is Saraswati, I worship her. Yasya nama Saraswati.
She.
Yasya nama Saraswati. Tam vande.
You said Yasya, right?
Yasya nama Saraswati.
Yasyaha.
Yasyaha nama Saraswati. Asti. Tam vande.
Yeah, here it says Namami. Okay. All right. Next one. Shailesh Mohoday. Next one.
That which I am searching for is a rare book. That which.
It's book.
Ya pustakam anveshanam karomi tat durlabam pustakam.
Tat Durlabam Pustakam is right, but here that which I am searching for. So what will it come in Shashti Vibhakti? That.
No, that which it becomes that will be yasya, isn't it? Yasya aham anveshanam karomi. Tat
Durlabam Pustakam.
Pustakam durlabam.
Okay. Aham yasya अन्वेषणं करोमि तत् दुर्लभं विरलं पुस्तकम्. Okay. Right.
Yeah,
Vishwanath.
yeah, it's difficult to put in a correct order. Words are
No,
right.
this one
but-
is okay. Whatever you said is okay. In
Yeah,
Sanskrit, you can write in any order, right?
yeah, yeah.
Only thing is you need to put the vibhakti properly.
Oh, yeah.
That's important. You can write anyways. That's okay.
Yeah,
Doesn't
yeah.
matter. But in English, we can't do that. We
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to
yeah.
have structured sentence.
Yeah.
You can't do that. Vishwanath Modaya, next one. Don't buy those vegetables whose prices are high. Okay. All right. Anybody can do this.
Don't
It's-
buy those vegetables whose price are the.
Whose prices?
Don't buy.
Okay, I'll do that. Tesham shakam na krinati tatra mulyam. Tesham shakam mulyam adhikam asti tesham na krinati.
यस्य मूल्यकम् अधिकम् अस्ति तेषां
तानि शाकानि मा क्रीणातु.
Yeah, ma'am.
येषां शाकम्.
It should be Bahuvachana, right? Not Yasya. Bahuvachana, because vegetables is in Bahuvachana.
तेषां
Shakani.
मूल्यम् अधिकम् अस्ति.
मूल्यानि यस्य
तानि शाकानि मा
मूल्यानि.
Hmm.
Mulya is a akarant or napusanglik.
मूल्यानि.
Mulyam. It is
Napusanglik.
Hmm.
So mulya.
so okay. Those will be
Tesham
Tesham.
shakani
मा क्रीणातु.
ma krinati.
Ma Krinatu. Then whose prices are high?
Yesham mulyam.
Those who should not be in Shashti, no? द्वितीय में है नहीं? या फिर प्रथम तत्फल
Whose is in
whose
Shashti?
price. हाँ, those vegetables
तेषां-
ना तो प्रथमा में आना चाहिए ना.
So whose is Shashti? Tesham
तानि शाकानि.
Tani shakani ma krinatu. Tesham mulyani
Adhikam asti.
येषां मूल्यानि
येषां
अधिकम् अस्ति.
येषां
No,
मूल्यानि
I think
अधिकम्.
Yesham mulyani
Adhikam santi.
अधिकं सन्ति.
I think these
Adhikani
sentences like
santi
this,
or adhikam asti. Right?
we can
We'll see
make
what
the
it is.
whose prices are
Yesham
high.
shakani mulyam adhikam asti tani ma krinatu.
Yeah, that's what I was
Tani.
thinking.
Those.
That whose prices are high, don't buy
Yes.
those vegetables. That's how
Yes.
it should be.
So whose will be Shashti? Whose
Yeah, yesham.
Shashti?
Yesham shakanam mulyam adhikam asti. Tani
Chakana.
ma
Because,
krinati.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
What's happened? Okay. All right. We'll do this one. Okay. This is Asmat Shabda. Right. Chitra Mohoday.
अस्म शब्द षष्टि विभक्ति रूपाणि. मम आवयोः अस्माकं. mine of me त्रिषु वचनेषु. एतत् मम सङ्गणकं. This is my computer. एतत् आवयोः सङ्गणकं. This is our two of us computer. नरेंद्र मोदी महोदयः अस्माकं देशस्य प्रधानमन्त्री. Narendra Modi is our country's prime minister.
Okay. So Asmat Shabda Mama Avayoho Asmakam. So Mama Pustakam Avayoho pustake, and then asmakam pustakani. You can say that of Shashti. So we all know Asmat Shabda, right?
Yeah.
Do you know? Okay. Last time we read this. Mamami avayoho now asmakam naha. All right. So we'll go to this. Chitra Mode next.
संस्कृतं
Shashti.
संस्कृतं मम मातृभाषा
Hmm.
सा मम जननी
Hmm. Okay, that should be fine. You want to do this Dvivachana and Bahuvachana?
संस्कृतं आवयोः जननी मातृभाषा संस्कृतं अस्माकं मातृभाषा सा मम जननी सा आवयोः जननी सा अस्माकं जननी
Right? Everybody understood, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yushmat Shabda, same thing. Chitra Modi, you can do it once again. All this. I think that's it.
युष्मशब्दः
Shashti.
षष्टिविभक्तिरूपाणि तव युवयोः युष्माकं युवर् युवर्स् आफ् यू त्रिषु वचनेषु एतत् तव सङ्गणकं दिस् इस् युवर् कम्प्यूटर् एतत् युवयोः सङ्गणकं दिस् इस् युवर् टु आफ् यू कम्प्यूटर् एतत् युष्माकं सङ्गणकं दिस् इस् युवर् मेनी आफ् यू कम्प्यूटर्
Okay. So this is Yushmat Shabda. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam. And the Shashti Vibhakti will be Tavate Yuvayoho Vam Yushmakam Vaha. All right. Tava Yuvayoho Yushmakam. If you say that much, that's enough. Tava Yuvayoho Yushmakam. Okay. Ichamode, do you want to do this?
सः तव जनकः
Hmm.
सा तवः भगिनी
Tava. Hmm.
तव भगिनी
Hmm.
सः तवयोः जनकः सः
Not Tavayoho. Tava Yuvayoho.
अच्छा युष्मत् युवयोः जनकः सः युष्माकं what was plural
Yushmakam. Hmm.
सः युष्माकं जनकः
Okay. Next we'll go. Okay, we don't want this one. All right. What's the time? Do you want to continue with Saptami today?
too much for today
Isn't
Yeah, I
it?
think I won't be able to continue. I have to go somewhere.
Yeah, that's what. It's too much. This one only took us about 2 hours.
Can we
So
meet tomorrow? Is it possible?
We can meet. I'll let you know. Everyone, what about everyone else?
If we can meet tomorrow same time, just for an hour, then we can finish.
Yeah, same time we can finish. Yeah.
और
Saptami
2 घंटा है
Vibhakti.
क्या और 2 घंटा है
I'll see how much is Saptami Vibhakti.
फुल और एक क्लास होगा शायद
Okay, I'll show you. But this only took, I thought this one will be faster.
Otherwise, we
So
make that
from
Wednesday.
here, we can skip this actually, Shashti Vibhakti. Saptami Vibhakti from here.
I think it is a one class. Yeah, it's a lot.
Yeah, that's what, to learn it's a lot. To show like this, it should be fine because.
Either we can do tomorrow or then next Wednesday.
Yeah, we can do it tomorrow. Or yeah,
Okay, I
next
don't
Wednesday.
mind.
If you are
If
okay,
everybody is
that's-
agreeing,
Yeah. Because yeah, it's too much. Now itself, we took so much long time.
yeah.
We
Wednesday,
started at this
नेक्स्ट
proper
वेडनेसडे
time.
करेंगे महोदय
Wednesday
right.
I'll be traveling but I can watch the record
Okay.
So not tomorrow?
no problem tomorrow is okay with me
Tomorrow is okay with everyone?
ना महोदय
No?
Yeah, tomorrow is fine.
Okay, only
ठीक है, आप
Chitra
कर-
Modu.
नहीं रहने दो आप कर लेना
No, we'll see. Otherwise, next Wednesday we'll do. No problem.
no problem I'll try to join problem.
Only thing is they might give you the homework for Saptami Vibhakti, but you will have the PowerPoint anyways. And you are
Yeah.
all good at it, so can do it.
We are meeting next Wednesday then?
Yeah, we can meet tomorrow or next Wednesday, any time. We'll see how it goes tomorrow.
Yeah,
Um,
let us know on WhatsApp.
Yeah, I'll post. Because
Friday
Chitra
चलेगा महोदय, Friday.
Friday. Okay,
Yeah, Friday also I
Friday,
don't
I
mind.
don't think I can. I'll see how it goes.
Okay.
But I'll
Okay.
post it in WhatsApp.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, who wants to say the Mangala Shloka? Shailesh Modaya, you started, you can end it.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhiನಃ Sarve Santu Niramayaः Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukha Bhag Bhavet Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah Hari Om Tat Sat